Now we'll look at simplifying expressions that have exponents in them. Now, depending on what level of math class you're in, you may not see too many expressions that have exponents. But just in case you do, you'll know exactly what to do when you come across them once we're done with this lesson. So what is an exponent? An exponent represents repeatedly multiplying a number by itself. Here's an example. We have 5 raised to the power of 2, or we can read it as 5 squared. The 5 represents the base. This is the number that's going to keep getting multiplied by itself. The 2 is the exponent. The exponent is always written higher than the base, and usually kind of as a smaller number. It tells us how many of the base we're multiplying. So, since our base is 5 and our exponent is 2, that means we're going to multiply 2 5s together, which will look like this. 5 times 5. We have 2 5s that we're going to multiply together. And we know that that gives us 25. So that will be our simplified answer. 5 raised to the exponent of 2 is equal to 25. Let's practice a little more. We have 5 cubed, which is also another way of saying 5 raised to the third power, or the exponent of 3. That means we're multiplying 5 3 times. So 5 times 5 times 5 will equal 125. If we have 2 raised to the power of 4, we're going to take that 2 and multiply 4 of them together. We multiply all those 2's together, we'll get 16. And then 10 raised to the power of 2 is 10 times 10. We're multiplying 2 10's together, which gives us 100. Okay, so now let's see what happens when we see an exponent placed as a part of an expression. So let's go ahead and simplify this expression. 24 minus 2 raised to the exponent of 3. So we know that we have subtraction. We have a subtraction sign in the middle there. And we have a number that's placed as an exponent. If we look at our order of operations, exponents are simplified before subtraction. So the first thing that we're going to do is simplify the 2 raised to the 3. Okay, that subtraction sign and the 24 don't have anything to do with this step yet. So if we have 2 raised to the power of 3, we're multiplying 2 by itself 3 times. So 2 times 2 times 2. Let's do that over to the side. We can use a little workspace over here. So if we have 2 times 2 times 2, that will give us 8. Okay. So now we know 2 raised to the exponent of 3 is 8. So we're done the exponent step. Let's bring down the 24 in the subtraction sign. And now we just have subtraction to perform. So 24 minus 8 gives us 16. And that's our final answer.